In our recent episodes, we've been neck deep in the exciting world of KPIs, key performance indicators, and metrics. Okay, perhaps I was the only one that was excited, but now you know the power of them, and you might be excited too. You've probably heard me mention the concept of a console or a dashboard, like the dashboard in your car, the one that tells you how much gas you have left and whether any issues need your attention. Now, some of you might already have something like this in your business, which is fantastic. But for those of you who don't, this is your golden opportunity to craft a dashboard tailored for your sales system. This dashboard will be your trusty companion, making it a breeze to keep a close eye on your chosen metrics. We've chatted at length about KPIs, yet the rub is this: metrics are easy to ignore when you've got seemingly dozens of figurative and sometimes literal fires to put out every day. And even when you don't need to be in firefighting mode, it can be difficult to prioritize the long list of to-dos, and reviewing metrics almost always takes the back seat to anything else on the list. So, bye-bye consistent check-in with our KPIs. There's a reason the check engine light is front and center to the driver of a car. So how to overcome this challenge? The key is to establish a structure, a framework that brings these vital metrics right in front of your nose, making it nearly impossible to overlook them. Dashboards and reports to the rescue. These tools ensure you're interacting with your invaluable data because, let's be honest, we're human. Even if those insights are emailed to us, they might just get buried in our inbox unless they become an integral part of our routine. Speaking from experience, I've discovered that if something's vital, I need to establish a system that places it front and center, requiring minimal, here none, effort on my part. This is where dashboards and reports shine, but there's a little secret. If the word reports gives you the heebie-jeebies and brings back report card nightmares, you can craft a dashboard or console. The key is to select a tool that feels easy and user-friendly, something you'll use enthusiastically. In fact, we've developed our own dashboard. We gather as a team on our first monthly work session, and the dashboard takes center stage. This ensures that no one overlooks it, and it isn't solely my responsibility to monitor. Our dashboard equips us with a crystal clear picture of whether we're on the right path, what's performing well, and what needs a little tweaking. It's our indispensable guide for making informed decisions regarding resource allocation in our business. Now, let's talk about setting up your very own dashboard or console. First and foremost, remember, make it your own without getting bogged down with shoulds. There are countless ways to bring your KPIs front and center. You can opt for sophisticated software, spreadsheets, or even the humble Post-it note. Whatever works, as long as it guarantees regular usage. The process starts with deciding how often you want to view your KPIs. Is it daily, weekly, monthly, or maybe quarterly? The frequency largely hinges on your goals and the pace of decision-making in your business. Next, pick your mechanism. Will it become part of your regular meetings, or does it need a dedicated work session, or will you need a simple task or reminder to nudge you, or a scheduled work sitting session? Yeah, work sitting. Choose the mechanism that syncs best with your style. Lastly, think about who's going to be in charge. It might be you, or you can delegate this responsibility to a team member. The goal is to make this system align with your objectives and ensure it is used consistently. As your business grows and you require more than one metric on your dashboard, you may opt for dashboarding or reporting software. Some prefer Excel sheets, Google Sheets, or the more robust solutions like Looker Studio from Google. The golden rule here is to opt for the path that keeps things simple and convenient. Once you put the system in place, bingo! You've got a way to routinely check in with the information that holds the key to stress-free, more profitable business decisions. Next up, we're switching gears a bit, the car puns never get old, and steering into some of the incredible functionality of a sales system and how it can drive your success, starting with scheduling links. Hire Help, my book on how to use experts to shortcut improvement, growth, and capacity is now available. Get all the details and buy it by going to hirehelpbook.com.